video, so I ask that you please send those to me. Also, she's getting the music ready. I want to let you all know, if you don't know, many of you probably do, because if you're a parent of Minds of the Future Academy, then you are a Minds of the Academy west side of town. But I wanted to let you all know that I am running. You know that education is my passion. I've been in it for 16 years. This year will be my 17th year. So I want you all to know that by reading my bio and my palm card that is inside of your program. And I ask that you all support me on this endeavor. It doesn't necessarily have to be, you don't have to be in my area to tell somebody.
Oye, bueno.
And every graduation you go to, they should start with prayer, but I believe most of them start with pledges. Here at Minds of the Future Academy, we will start with the prayer from our very own Princess Savannah. Let's give her a hand.
They took their heads and they shook out their tails and they said, let's go swimming, let's go swimming, let's go swimming. Yeah, let's go swimming, let's go swimming, let's go swimming in the bottom of the ocean. Then the little fish got so very, very tired that they came back to the rock. They put down their heads and down their tails and they took a little nap. And when they woke up, they were a little bit dirty, so they took a shower. And they washed their hair, and they washed their ears, and they washed their tummies, and they washed their very long fishy beards, and they washed their noses, and they washed their toes, and then they said, wait a minute, we're fish. We don't take showers. Let's go swimming, let's go swimming. Yeah, let's go swimming, let's go swimming, let's go swimming.
encouraging. Lucy enjoys playing with her friends and enjoys circle time, and she was elected as most friendly. Peter enjoys interacting with others and making new friends. My next student is Wanu. She enjoys learning new words and loves to draw. She was elected as most outgoing. My next student is Arabella. Arabella enjoys playing with her friends, and she was voted as most popular. Count and write numbers, and he was elected as the best number counter. My next student is Aubrey. Aubrey enjoys making new friends and playing with her friends, and she was elected as best smile. My next student is Sissin. Sissin enjoys playing with her friends and drawing, and she was elected as the best artist in the class. My next student is Kyle loves to play with his friends, and he loves playing football, and he was elected as most competitive. My next student is YY.